In 2013, the trade war started. America made a strategy to reduce the dependency on China. Apart from China, they wanted to develop in some other countries because if some disputes happen tomorrow, then there must be some kind of replacement or backup plan. And that one country that can replace China was India. India is exactly sitting on the same position China was sitting on 15 to 20 years ago. Today, India is the most growing economy. In today's date, India's disposable income is increasing day by day. At that time, there was a lot of youth in China, and now there's a lot of youth in India. Last year, Apple sales in India was $6 billion. That is around 50,000 crores in Indian rupees. And the Apple's revenue is increasing at the rate of 45% in India. More than 15 crore iPhones are sold in India every year. That is second highest after China. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology said that by 2025, the total trade of electronics in India will be $400 billion. So naturally, the smartphone market will also rise. Then in 2018, Apple appointed Ashish Chaudhary as their new country manager in India. Ashish was previously Nokia's Chief Customer Operations Officer, and he knew the Indian market very well. But our Indian government also had some conditions. They said if you want to grow in India, you have to increase the production in India. And Apple agreed. 60,000 employees work in India right now, and they have made and exported more than 5 billion iPhones this year. And you would think that Apple is such an old company and there are 200 countries in the world. Then why is opening a store such a big deal? Well, it is a big deal because India is among 23 countries that Apple thought they can open their personal stores. Before India, there were 22 countries where they thought that they should open their stores. USA is on top with the highest number of stores with 272 stores all over the country. Then there is China with 45 stores and then UK with 39 stores. Now there are 2 stores in India right now, and I think in 5 to 10 years there will be more than 10 stores at least. For this new store, 170 people have been selected among thousands of applications. They have been trained for 8 months and they were called to the biggest Apple stores in other countries to gain experience. They can speak over 15 languages and can even speak regional languages like Telugu, Tamil, Marathi, Bengali, whatever you want to speak. But the question is, after all this effort, can Apple actually replicate the success they gained in China?